Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will learn lesson number 9, Introduction to Dreamweaver CS3. In this lesson you will learn about Adobe Dreamweaver, how to start Dreamweaver, how to set element, how to create a website, etc. So, if you use a web design program also called WYSIWYG HTML editor, you do not need to learn HTML tags as the software created HTML code by itself. This chapter introduces one such a program called Adobe Dreamweaver. Adobe Dreamweaver to create an individual web page and complete a website. It has what you see is what you get. WYSIWYG. This is the full form of WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get editor, which means that you design your web page as you wish to see them. By placing elements in the editor window, as you know, a collection of related web pages form website. When you upload this website to a web server, then anyone on the internet can see this website. The term site refers to a local or a remote storage location for the document on the website. The Dreamweaver site consists of the two folders. First one is local root folder and second one is remote folder. So local root folder, this folder is on your local computer and store the file you are currently working on. Dreamweaver refer to it as your local site. Then second one is remote folder. This folder is on the computer where your web server software is running. Dreamweaver refer to this folder as your remote site. Together, the local and remote folder enable you to transfer files between your local computer's hard disk and the web server, making it easy to manage file in your Dreamweaver site. In this chapter, we will use only local root folder for creating a website and will preview this website in your web browser. Now, starting Dreamweaver. Which are the steps for starting a Dreamweaver? First of all, select Start button, see in the figure 9.1, then select All Program, then select Adobe Design Premium CS3 and finally select there Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. When you click on this, you can see the screen like figure number 9.2. The first screen will appear. You can open a recently created document, see the first option, recently created document or start a new document. Both the way we can open a document. Now next thing is create a website. So which are the steps to create a website? First one is in the opening page under a create new and click a Dreamweaver site, and second method is there, click a site then new site to open a new web page site, figure number 9.3. The site definition for screen will appear. See the figure number 9.4. It has a two tabs. See in the top side corner, it has a two tab, basic and advanced. The basic tab is selected by default. Here you enter information for your website in a series of screen that appear as you keep clicking the next button. And another way is alternatively you can click a advanced tab. In this, you enter all the information, just one screen, figure number 9.5. Enter the site name and here it has been entered new website. Enter the local root folder or the local, locate it using the browser button, finally click OK. Now you will see the new website folder in file panel on the right. Adding a web page to other folder. Suppose you want to add extra pages to the website. The steps are how to set or add a web page to the folder. So first step is that to create a web page, then select file and new. Okay, first of all click on file, then new option. The new document dialog box appears. See the figure number 9.7. This type of dialog box will appear. By default, the following options are selected. The new document is blank page. The page type is HTML. These are the options, and the layout is none. And then after click that create. The document window appear. Type the text as you shown on figure number 9.8. Click after typing a text, then click a file menu and select a save option to save a HTML file. The save as dialog box appears. See the figure number 9.9. Type the name for the file and click save button. In this way we can save our HTML document. The step for another method for creating a web page. Here given another method for creating a web page. First step is that right click the folder in the file panel and select a new file from the context menu. See in the figure 9.10. In this way we right click there. It will display a context menu. See new file, new folder, open with, edit, select. This is called context menu. Here we select a new file. Then untitled.html web page is created. See the figure number 9.11. This type of untitled.html web page created. Click on the file name and type the new name. Say the second web page.html. You will see it in the panel under the website name. See the figure number 9.12. Double click the second web page.html to edit it. The document window will appear. Add the content and then save it by selecting file and save. Again save your content, select the file menu, then click on save button. In this way we can save our